Hello guys, it is 11 o'clock at night, and tonight I'm going to show you these new devices right here. So, over to the left is my Cerberus Pyrotronics multi-tone horn strobe, and over to the right is my Faraday mechanical horn strobe with the gray horn. That's my Faraday mechanical horn strobe, and these are really cool devices, and the backs are different. Strobes are different. Yep. Yeah, this one is a device that came yesterday, and this one came tonight. So figured I would bring these two alarms to the table, so I could show you what I got. Well, I know I did not make unboxing videos of these because, well, I don't want to make an unboxing video too much, like every time, because it would get boring after a while for me. But I'm telling you guys, I love fire alarms, guys. I really love collecting them. So the strobes are kind of different on these. So this one is just a plain strobe with no reflector and no magnifier, and this one's got the magnifier in front of the strobe tube, and in front of the diagonal strobe tube. You see the little magnifier right there? This bubble that they have on the strobe? That's the bubble magnifier right there. And I think that's really important. It helps reflect the strobe a lot better. And the strobes are kind of the same, except this one has the magnifier, well, this one does not. This one is an electronic multi-tone. It's electronic, and this one is just mechanical horn. This one is just the mechanical horn strobe. It's not multi-tone, but this is just a mechanical horn strobe. I tested it and it works fine. It will sound a little raspy, but it does work fine. Same with this one, and the strange part about this device, it does a little bit of a lower pitch. It's kind of unusual to hear that, but you'll see once I test this thing. So these are basically my two new devices that I have right here. And my Wheelock 7002T is sitting on my nightstand. That will be tested in Fire Alarm Test 21. So this will be 22, and this will be 23. Fire alarm tests. So I got more on the line, so I got this device tonight. I just got it tonight, so they do look kind of the same, even though the grills are different. This one has more of a electronic grill feature, and this one has mechanical grill feature on it, pretty much. And that word that starts like national, well, I don't know, but this is a Faraday. So this is my Cerberus Pyrotronics MTS75-F right here. The model number is right there. So I had a couple of issues with this alarm since I bought it. The first issue is I had to figure out how to operate this thing, and I definitely figured it out. So, and the second issue is when I got it, the strobe was broken, and I had to take off the thing and hook something back up. I had to plug the strobe back in, so the strobe is fully functional now, guys. This whole thing is completely functional. I just had to I had something in the strobe that I needed to fix up. And the one thing what's missing on this alarm is the positive screw for the strobe is missing. Yes, I tested this and the strobe does work, and same with this one. The strobe on this one is 75 candela, and this one is 15 candela. Even with the magnifier on the front, the bubble, and look how thick the bubble is. It sticks out kind of. It looks like a little lump. Kind of looks like the strobe's got a blackhead on it, but it's a magnifier. As you can see down there, you can see the strobe tube. That is a magnifier. You can see down there. I'm putting the magnifier closer to the camera. You can see directly at the strobe tube. As you can see, I'll give you one more close look at the strobe tube through the magnifier. It kind of looks like looking down into a stethoscope. I mean microscope. It's kind of like looking through a microscope, but yep, that's how a magnifier is. So these strobes don't have any reflectors, but this one's got the magnifier on it. This funky bubble thing. So it's got the bubble that's in front of the strobe. So I'm very lucky to have one of these. These are really cool alarms. It's a mechanical horn strobe. It's basically going to sound like a simplex alarm kind of when it sounds. New England Elevators does have two of these, but mine is a Faraday 624W-AV. That's the model number for this alarm. So but I'm the only one that has the one without the magnifier. So these are pretty cool devices, and they pretty much have the same shell, except the horns are different, the strobes are different, and the grills are different. So how do you guys love my new devices? Pretty cool. I told you it's gonna take a while to collect more alarms, so I got two new ones right here. And today is December 13th, and tomorrow is the 14th of December, so hope you guys enjoyed this video of my two new fire alarms. This is my first Cerberus Pyrotronics alarm, and this is my first Faraday. So I still have all of my old notification appliances. They're in these two boxes underneath my bed. This box is where all my classic Spectre alerts are, and this is where all the rest are, right there. So, well, guys, this is basically a quick peek at my two new alarms. I'm not testing them tonight, so sorry, guys. Sorry to disappoint you, but I'm not testing them tonight. I tested them earlier, and they fully work. So this is working, this is fully working, and this is fully working. So I got two more good alarms that are good enough for fire alarm testing. So I got some different devices instead of the kind of the same old, just like I bought that Wheelock 7002T right there. So, yep, that's basically how it is. Hope you guys enjoyed these two new fire alarms I've been collecting since 2016. So, anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you very much. And I will see you guys in a little bit. Let's take one more look. It's got the mechanical horn on this one, mechanical. And this one is the electronic multi-tone horn. Electronic. And one more thing. It doesn't have the same sounder as a True Alert. No. It does not sound like a True Alert at all. Alright. Enough of that. So, I'm gonna put these away and go back to bed. I figured I would give you guys a sneak peek at these two new alarms, so hope you guys enjoyed them. And that will be it. Hope you guys enjoyed them. And thank you for watching. Take care.